Hello, Mrs. Thompson here with your Friday Fluency activity. We are still learning strategies to fluently add and subtract within 1000. I can use a strategy to accurately combine values. And as we get into today's lesson, I really want to make sure that we remember that these are just strategies that we can use to become quicker. You want to find the one that works for you. These are things to help you be able to get to bigger numbers quicker when you're adding and subtracting. So today's idea is building up through 10 and also backing down through 10. And so as you were learning yesterday about how you can think about subtraction as think addition, today we're going to think about building up through 10 and backing down through 10. So always remembering your tens, okay? Remembering what your tens do to other numbers when you're combining them and also when you're taking those tens away. So today you will need a 2-column note. You will need to draw 2-column notes. And so here is a 2-column note. And so you just sort of like a T-chart. On the left side, you want to put build up through 10. Don't subtract, build up. And then on the right side, you're going to put back down through 10. So I have 14 minus 8. And so I'm thinking about building up through 10. So I'm going to take number 8. And I know that 2 more added to 8 gives me a 10. So I'm going to use that 2 to help me solve that problem. So now I'm also thinking, if I were to add 4 to 10, that's going to give me 14, which is right here. Okay. And remember, think subtraction think addition to make subtraction. So we're sort of doing that here. So we have 2 and 8, that makes 10. And then if I add 4 more to that 10 that we just created, we get 14. So we're going to think 14 minus 8 is 2 plus 4, which is 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. All right, so now we're going to back down through 10. So this is 15 minus 6. And so I'm thinking about the number 6 here, and I'm going to basically break number 6 apart. And I'm thinking, okay, 5 and 1 make 6. And so then I'm going to take my 5 out of this 15 here so I can get a 10. If I take my 10, if I take 1 out of this 10 that I created, I get a 9. So remember, I had the 1 over here, right? So 10, after I got that 10 out, I'm going to take away that 1 because that leaves me with 15 once I do that. And so now I have 9. So 15 take away 6 equals 9. Pause here so that you can finish copying your notes. Okay, now you get to practice, and you're going to use this 10 frame to help you practice. If you look at this 10 frame, you notice that there are 9 dots. So I am going to say a number larger than 10. And then I want you to tell me how many more dots are needed to make the number. Think about, how did you get that answer? All right, so here is the first number. The first number is 12. So friends, think for a minute. How many more would give you 12 from 9? Yep, that's it, friends. It's 3. So tell me, how did you get that number? Did any of you build a 10 here? Yep, some of you said, yes, I added 1 to get a 10. And I know because I know all my 10s. 10 and 2 is 12. And I only added 1 more, 1 here. So the answer must be 3. You're absolutely right. Here's the next one. Let's do 15. So how many more dots do you need to get 15? Yes, you're right. It is 6. Now, lean in. How did you get 6? What did you do? What did you think about to get 6? I know. I know. You said, oh, I know. My tens, if I put one dot here, that gives me 10. 10 and 5 is 15. All I did was add one more to 5. That's 6. There you go. Good thinking. That's that good mental thinking there, mental math thinking there. I wonder if we could do 17. Hmm. Can you do 17? How many more would I need? How many more dots would I need to make 17? You guessed it. Yes, you're right. It's 8. What did you think about? How did you get that answer? Uh-huh. Yep, you thought about that 10 again. You said, oh, if I put a dot there, that's 10. 10 and 7 makes 17. 1 and 7 makes 8. So, therefore, I needed to put 8 more dots there to make 17. Let's do one more. Since we did 27, I wonder if we, excuse me, since we did 17, I wonder if we could do 27. Boys and girls, I wonder what you decide to do in order to maybe figure out some mental math for 27 based on how you got 17. Go for it. Think about it. Did you think about the same thing and you just put a 10 there? Was that what you thought? Yeah, I thought you would do that. 18. Awesome. 18 and 20, excuse me, 18 and 9 would give you 27. And did you think, okay, so if I said 8 before, then all I'm doing is just putting a 10 there. So, oh, the answer must be 18. You got it. All right, awesome, guys. Let's keep moving to your quiz. You are ready. Build up and back down through 10. Remember, we are learning how to be fluent. So if you don't finish your assessment in a timely manner today, guess what? You will have other opportunities to practice these facts, okay? So be able to, your job is just learning how to use some of these mental strategies to add and subtract quickly. Good luck to you and see you next week. Bye.